Hello everyone, I'm Claire from Crafty Claire Tutorials, and if you are new to my channel, it's lovely to have you here. I do jewellery tutorials for complete jewellery beginners. I do other craft projects, and I do share days out, things like that. So it's a bit of a vloggy channel as well. But if you are new, it's lovely to have you here. So to you and to all my amazing current subscribers, I do hope you're doing well. Let me know how you are in the comments below, because I do like to know how you're doing. Hello everyone on this beautiful sunny day. The sun is shining in Bristol. It's Saturday, the weekend, so I hope you're having a lovely day. I'm going to make some garnet jewellery today. Now, I haven't made anything with garnet before on here, so I just want to show you these, what beads I've got. I'm going to make just a normal bracelet, a normal elasticated bracelet, just using these garnet, and they're slightly different to the chips. So I separate some up here for you to see. So these are in sizes 4 to 8, all different sizes. Garnet's beautiful, and these are called bead chips, nugget chips. These are the garnet beads. So these are like a rosy coloured garnet. Now these do look different to these. They're 8mm, but they're absolutely beautiful. Now these are grade B. I've gone for the grade B, obviously makes them cheaper for yourselves. Obviously I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, if you want to go and check that out. Absolutely fine, nothing wrong with them. You may find a couple, there are some, I'm trying to find to show you. They may not be perfectly round, let's say that. They may not be perfectly round. I think it adds to them. If I was to get the pure garnet beads, it's a lot of money. So I thought these would be more affordable for yourself and for me. Now I've got a new tool I want to show you. These are concave pliers, and they look like this. You would be used to let's have a look at these. Can you see there? These are perfectly round. These are concave. But for those of you that have trouble making your loops, I just want to show you some. I think these are very good. Now I've taken a head pin, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull it through. So you don't want to fill it that side, but just squeeze together. Obviously see that comes up. Push over. Now I'm going to take that out. Look at the loop. That does not look like an eye pin, it has to go back further. So all we do, the opposite side, we pop this in and we bend it back a little bit. Take that out. Whoops, it fell. Oh. It makes an eye. You see it's not quite closed, I didn't go round enough. Absolutely fine. Go back in, just push it round. There, eye pin. So concave pliers, I don't actually stock these. Have a look on Amazon. I don't have any links to share with you. These are just a cheap pair, again, absolutely fine. So very good. What have I got? I'm not sure how long I'm going to make these earrings, So I've got two 45mm head pins. I've got two gold earring wires. These are actually cross. If the loop was straight down, it would be parallel, but these are actually cross. And I have got two 5mm gold plated jump rings. I'm using some 0.8 stretchy plastic. So measure 12 inches, snip, give that a good stretch. Just move those out of the way. Now I'm just going to take a bead clip, stationary clip, whatever you have lying around, just to stop the beads from falling off. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. Let's thread the beads. If I do come across one with an indent, I will let you know. But I think these are beautiful. Like I say, I went for grade B because it's cheaper. I won't be selling these as grade A to you. It's just you will see a difference. So there will be just a little bit of a difference in them, not that much. So how are you all? I hope you are having a lovely day. It's Saturday today, the weekend is here. Do you have anything lovely planned? Are you going out for a walk? Are you just staying home? Do you have all the boring household jobs to do? Catching up on all the washing from the week? If I remember rightly, I believe it's 24 beads to make a 7-inch bracelet. You might not see this, I wonder. Let's see if we can show you. Oh, where is it to? There we go. You not see, but there is a slight indent there. I haven't put any lights on because I find it looks wishy-washy. But there is a very slight, I can feel it. I can feel it. Again, I'm not sure if it will show. Thank you so much for everyone that's placed orders on my website. It's not just jewellery making items, there are lots of different craft supplies as well. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20. Oh, that's 23. I'm just thinking, no, 23 beads that's taken. So that may show you, normally it is 24, but this has taken 23 beads. So they may be not 100% 8mm. They look it, but they do look 8mm. They do look it, they don't look. But it could be very, very slightly. Close the lid. Let's give that another stretch again. You don't have to, but it's just what I do. So we're going to join these together. Now I'm going to go over twice, and that's a surgeon's knot. Pull. One the other way. Now I could do one for luck, but I don't think it will hide inside if I do that. Now if I do one for luck, it won't hide inside, so we won't today. Snip that off. So that is the garnet ring. That's the garnet bracelet. Please excuse my nails. Oh, I've just seen then an indent. That might be the one I was showing you before. Oh, it's hard to show you. I don't know if that is actually there, but I don't know if the camera will pick that up. So there's the bracelet. So now I'm going to make the earrings. Isn't that dish cute, the cat dish? When I'm out and about, I'll see things like this. I think, oh, I must have it. I must have it. So as I say, these are 45mm. These are a head pin. They've got a flat piece. If they had a loop, they would be an eye pin. But we are going to create an eye on here using the concave pliers. I think I should have put my glasses on. So we'll just thread these on. Beautiful garnet. Just see if I can get the same size-ish. If you could like this video and leave a comment down below, it would help me so much. Help the algorithm share my video. I'm just thinking, is that going to be... No, we'll put some more. Why not? Let's put some more. I'm not making these for anybody. It's just a tutorial, so I will take them apart afterwards. I think we'll do that length. Yes, we want about 1 centimetre. So I am going to cut off. So measure 1 centimetre. Right, we put the pliers back on. Remember, you want them to go back the same place as before. And then I'm just pushing them all the way around. Take them out. I'll show you what we've got. Obviously, we need to bend that like I showed before. Pop these in. Make sure the loop goes completely around. So I'm popping these in this side and then just doing a slight bend upwards. Got our dangle. So we do the same with the other side. Thread the beads. I've got lots of different bead chips on the website, and I sell them in handy 10-gram bags, which would be handy for making these. I think they may be I think they're £2. I think they are £2. I have so much stock, I can't remember the prices now. Would have helped if I'd looked beforehand, wouldn't it? So measure 1 centimetre, cut that off, put it in the bin. Then we take our concave pliers, and again squeeze together, push them right the way around. Oh, that one's bent. See how bendy that one is? Take the pliers, our dangle. That's 2 dangles. I'll just put these away. Okay, so here we've got our earring wires. These are 5mm, so they are small ones. Now you will need your pliers. Oh, I keep hitting the light. I do apologise. It's like I'm calling someone in. It's like I'm ringing a bell. Right, we'll use these 2 pairs of pliers to open the jump ring. I see so many people just using their nails. I admit I used to, but it just ruins your nails. Not that mine are great at the moment. I must have some more calcium in my diet. More chocolate. I'm only joking. Okay, so we open the jump ring. And I'm going to thread through the dangle. Take the earring wire. And then close and make sure there's no gaps. So we've got our dangle earring. So I'm just going to do exactly the same again. Take the jump ring. Guys, I am so close to 4,000 watch hours. I just hope I've done everything correctly. Let's thread the dangle through. Again, touch the earring. And then close. And there's another one done. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.